In this video, we are going to learn the use of routing in Angular application. And in general, in any application, there are multiple views, and to perform the navigation from one view to another, we require routing, and routing allows us to jump from one view to another in order to perform the interrelated operations. Let us go ahead and start creating two views, or we can say two components, and get it to use the routing in our Angular application. Let us create the two components. First one is automatic car. It has been added. Now going to add manual car component. So we are done with adding the two components. So we have the file app routing modules. There we can define the routes. We will define path, and the component. So we have defined the path for automatic car and the manual car. Let us go to the app component.html. Let us give it a proper name. Let us say we are providing the link routerLink equals automatic car. Second one is the manual. Let us run the application. When open in browser, so when we click on automatic, then this particular view is coming, and when clicking on manual, then this particular manual view is coming. We have forget to give the separate li tag for this. So now perfect. Let us create the navigation bar where we will click on the menu and it will open the related page. For this we have to add the bootstrap related links for style and the script. Let us go to index.html and add the bootstrap link. And go to the app component.html. There we can add our routing on the navigation bar like this. Let us run and see the output in browser. So when I am clicking on automatic, when I am clicking on manual, it comes for manual. Let me see. So when I am clicking on manual, so this is all about the routing and how we can achieve. So how does the routing works? In your index.html, there should be the base starting address, base href, and in AppRoutingModule configures the route, and each path will have a path and the corresponding components like this. And after defining routes, pass the route to the route module. We are passing this to the router module and export the app routing module. And in our app.module.ts, we have to import app routing module and include in the imports array like this. And to navigate, we have the links with routerLink directive that we have defined in this way. And when we click on any particular link, we are simply navigating to that particular view. So that's all about routing in Angular. Thank you so much.